Hello guys, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. My name is Divya Agarwal and today I will discuss with you various vacancies in the AIIMS, that is in New Delhi. So let's see what are the vacancies. Yes, when you come to this page, you have to write it here AIIMS Delhi. You will come to this page, you have to click it here. Okay, when you come to this page, you have to click on notices. There is written recruitment, you have to click it here. In the recruitment, there is written AIIMS recruitment, so you have to click it here. Yes, you will come to this page. As you can see, there is given a different advertisement for the recruitment of different posts. First, let's talk about the librarian, chief librarian on deputation basis in New Delhi AIIMS. So last date is extended to 15 June. You have to click it here. Yes, as you can see, there is given you advertisement for the post of chief librarian on deputation basis at AIIMS New Delhi. You have to click here for the documents. You will come to this page. As you can see, there is written application are invited in the prescribed performer from suitable officers for filling up one post of chief librarian on deputation basis. Eligibility criteria is given to you under the central, state and UT government, universities, statutory, autonomous bodies or research and development organization holding analog post on regular basis with at least 5 to 8 years of regular service in the post scale of 12,375 to 16,500. What do you need? At least a master degree in science from the recognized university and degree or equivalent diploma in library science of a recognized institute and at least 7 years experience as a supervisory capacity in the library of standing. Let's see desirable master degree in library science, training in medical librarianship. Third is experiences of documentation work in the responsible capacity. And the fourth is knowledge of Sanskrit and modern European languages other than English. So what is the upper age limit is 56 years. And you have to fill this application. Let's see second vacancy. It's a vacancy for the post of scientist. Scientist C, that means non-medical. As you can see, there is written application invited for the post of scientist and the last date is 20 June. So you have enough time to enough time to upload this document and fill this application. Okay, next is senior research fellowship. Basically, application are invited for the post of senior research fellowship. Let's see, this is also new notifications and the last date is extended to 20 June. You will come to this page. There is written position vacant, senior research fellow. Qualification Master of Science with 2 years of research experience. You should have NET, GATE or PhD. Funding agency is ICAR. Last date is 20 June. Fourth post is related to the walk-in interview for the various posts on contractual basis for a period of 6 months. Last date is 25 June. As you can see, there is written walk-in interview. So basically, it is a direct recruitment. First is clinical psychologist. Essential qualification is given to here. MPhil, master degree in psychology and a PhD degree in a clinical psychology. Number of posts is 2. Upper age limit is 35 and you will get the remuneration is 58,000 and date of interview is 30 June. Timing is also given to you 9:30 to 10:15 a.m. and venue of reporting is also given to you. This is the form. You have to fill this before going to the interview. The fifth recruitment is related to the grade level 2 sanitary inspector. This extended date is 5th July. Okay, this is the notifications. Here is a circular recruitment to the post of sanitary inspector grade 2 in level 5th of the pay matrix, revised under 50% by promotion mode. Educational qualification and experience is given to you, which you need at least 12th and from a recognized board or institute, and health sanitary inspector course 1 year duration from a recognized institute. And you should be regular institute employees working in level 1 to level 4. ये हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है. Yes, this is the application form. Okay, the last application is again the sanitary inspector. You have to click it here. And the last date is 6th July. There you also need same qualification as earlier in the sanitary inspector grade 2 level 5th of pay matrix. And this is the application form you have to fill this. If you like it, share it with your friends and comment it in the box and subscribe it. For more videos like this, press the bell icon and I will share more information like this with you. Thank you.